Today we have a viewing and testing of this product. This is the Parkside cross-line laser model PKLL C3, and we've got some specs. Working rates about 7 meters, projection mode, self-leveling, pendulum, leveling range is positive and negative degrees. Typical leveling is positive negative 0. In some accessories included alkaline batteries, 3 years warranty from Lidl. And here we get some pictures how you can use this. Inside you are going to find these 2 batteries, including. And here we are. Now let's install the batteries. I'm assuming here can be installed here and negative, and lock it. We have this screw. We can put it here. Then we've got this retaining screw. Tied it very good. You can put it wherever it's suitable for you to work with that. Put it an LED indicator. When it's red, the leveling is off, and when it's green, the leveling is on. I will show you, of course, how it works. This is the leveling. You need to have a straight horizontal work. Now I'll try to open it. Here the laser. Now it is in red, and when I lock it, and you will see laser beam, it goes, it's trying to leveling, and that was all. Now is in level position. If you're going to move this, it will need to on. You see now it's moving, the laser up moving, and you can paint your wall making some marks. Questions, you can leave it down to the comments. And with all that done, guys, this is the end of the video. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Hit the notification bell because more YouTube channel, and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.